London Fashion Week vlog. How exciting. So I have just come from an event with M&S, which was their autumn winter preview. They had like Christmas bits, women's wear, lingerie, home, kids, everything. Super exciting. And now I've just come to Corner Store nearby to grab How Fashion Week of me, a little salad. It's got ratatouille and chopped greens. So I'm gonna eat that.
Gentle breezes, sunlight pools across the floor.
Day 2, working at M&S. Press preview. Let's go.
Every thought a secret thesis, scattering on open doors. Golden hours blur the scene.
My lips always go red when I'm tired, and that is the reality of working a 12-hour shift. Guess who I saw on the way back? Only like one of my favorite models, Alex Consani. She is just gorgeous, and from tall girl to tall girl, I mean, I feel like we should have been besties. No, pardon. Happy to be going home and sleeping. Can you tell? Delirious. This probably makes no sense. Anyway, see you tomorrow.
Through open windows, perfect moments linger close. Painted skies and sunlight below, letting every feeling show.
Look at that. Breakfast sandwich with aubergine relish. And I don't know what else, scrambled egg. I can't remember. We are walking along Church Street and an appointment this morning, which I feel rough afterwards and I'm very tired already. But it is Thursday, so making it through the week. And we had a nice coffee at Esther's, and now we're just having a little shop around. Is this place open? Yeah, let's have a little look. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute.
Secret healing, washing worry far away. Every night the world feels new when we spin into the blue, slipping softly with the tide, lost in wonder we can fly.
And a little sniff of some pillow mist. What is this? Bless.
Floating down through open windows, breathless moments linger close. Painted skies and sunlight below, letting every feeling show.
Such a cute space. Well, Thursday Pilates done. Please ignore how insane my hair looks. And if anyone has any tips for curly hair, like I like the bottom, but the top I just don't know how to style. Anyway, it's true what they say. I guess depression can't hit a moving target. I've just been to Pilates at the most gorgeous studio, which is like Dalston, Stokey area, called Hiraya Pilates, and the studio is just stunning. And basically had a little one-on-one session and it was great. So stretched my body, I feel actually so energized afterwards. They had like cute little notes as well on each reformer bed. You'll see the clips of how nice it is. Happy Friday! My skin needs this face mask so badly, but it means I can't really move my mouth properly to talk to you guys. Worked at another event for the White Company last night. I'll show you the flowers that they gave me. So pretty. How gorgeous. Very on brand for them. And I also have been burning this candle, which smells so nice. It's the Kelly Hoppen from M&S collection. So this is my little goodie corner over here. It is hot today, and I have left the house. We are going to Maury Cafe back in Cali Road and Barnsbury, and gonna go down matcha, have a little walk around. Just needed to see some sunlight. Who would believe it is the start of autumn? It's like, what, it was like 25 maybe?
Yeah, it's like 25.
Gosh, and I thought I should have worn shorts, and I was so right. But I've got a cute little yellow top on. So let's go into the cafe now. I always like this, and isn't it owned by an illustrator? So she enjoyed cute things. Is there anywhere to sit? Yeah. Just sit here. Hello. I went for the iced strawberry and you went for the pistachio. Give yours a taste. How is it? And then give us a rating.
10 out of
10.
I feel like especially on like a further course, you should be like doing things like around.
I think you need to stir yours a bit.
Yeah.
It's nice, it's not too sweet.
No. Give it a bit more. So. It's like fresh strawberry jam at the bottom.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It's nice. So Alex has brought me to a very cute little Italian port because I was in the mood for some nice tomato pasta. Food has arrived. As Alex said, mine is in lovely deep red colour. Can't wait. Good morning and happy weekend. We're walking through de Beauvoir now because we are going to our first stop of Open House Festival today. And then we'll probably get a coffee at Leeds, which is a nice little neighbourhood spot, and carry on to some more drop-in spots in Stoke Newington kind of area. But of course I'll try and show as much as possible. Sometimes it feels a little bit awkward because you are in someone's home, so to like walk around and film their bedroom or their bathroom, you know, it's wanting to be as respectful as possible, but we'll see what we can capture. Either way, it's very, very fun just to have a little look around and take all the interior design inspo and architectural inspo. And we're probably about 2 minutes away now. We've just arrived and it is a cute, I can't see how far around the corner it goes. Out of breath from walking up the stairs. But this is room 1. Look at the gorgeous beams. And then lovely light. Window. Alex peering out of it. Oh, look at that bathtub. Oh yes. Oh, I love it. Obsessed. And then in there, a little shower. That's so cute. Also with nice view. Lovely fireplace. The queue has gotten even busier now. So, what did you think?
I thought it was really nice. What's interesting is you look at the building and you think it's all one, but it's actually split into two houses or two big flats. I don't know how you refer to that.
And when they bought it, it was basically like a derelict shell. But I'd say this one is very artist-led. Like lots of displays from people that do lovely vases or like different designs or ceramics. So definitely I'd say it felt like an artist's studio display. Very pretty though. I mean, I've always come to this square and wanted to look inside one of the houses, and now we got to. So that's pretty cool. On to Lee's?
Yeah.
Next location, just off Butterfield Green, and we've started in the basement, which is very swish. We were just saying it feels kind of more closed in, but actually you still get some light. It kind of makes it a bit more cozy. Stairs are quite steep in all of these places though. Let's go. Health and safety.
Structural alternative to steel, and then various kind of not big as a fridge. Initially,
Yes, 1820s. Wow. So it's on the cusp. It's still Georgian. It's on the cusp of being Georgian. Oh, right. Ascended yet.
We've been wanting to stop at this place, which does burritos and tacos, and we finally did after stop number 3. And I went for a burrito chicken and like all the toppings. You went for quesadilla with, you went for
the beef, shredded beef,
but they also do chili con carne
and chicken like you
chicken.
got. Yeah. It's good. And you get
can't
tacos
wait.
with it as well. Or not tacos, nacho.
Tortilla
chips.
chips.
Okay, that's fine. It's
Okay, so that is actually probably the last one on our list for today, because I need to go back and recharge ahead of the runway show that I have the invite for tonight. So pretty good mooch around, I'd say. Very successful morning and afternoon, and now back home. that was wild. Kind of interesting to see it from the other side, like to actually be at the runway. There was a bunch of photographers and sort of everyone. I mean, I was also filming, clearly, but it was just, yeah, a lot of people, very loud music. It was intense, but very, very cool. Like, the clothes were incredible, and actually my favourite moments are when the designers come out afterwards and everyone claps them. I think that must be such a nice wow moment for them. So it was a really, really cool experience. So thank you to Juno Bamboo, who I've been working for a while with now, for that invite. I didn't make it to the after party because I'm actually just not that cool. But I am planning to go to a couple of brand activations for Fashion Week tomorrow morning before going to work another London Fashion Week event. Can't speak about it, but I will of course show you the activations in Carnaby. It is busy weekend in Central and I'm about to get run over. We are headed to a couple of London Fashion Week brand activations. There's two on Carnaby Street, one by Barber and one by one of the sponsors, Dylon, you know, like the clothes people washing clothes. So we're going to have a little look at them and then just see where the rest of the day takes us. Maybe grab a coffee, have a little mooch around some of the shops. In a trippy washing machine. We got our free samples, and you can actually come here as well and get clothes like repaired, which is quite cool, and altered. So now on to the next. And also a little bar of a pin, which is very cute. And there's also like a whiskey bar, but the drinks are about like £13. So I've got my freebies, had a little look around, very happy. And now I'm gonna go meet up with Alex, who's just in a bookstore somewhere. She is with flowers, of course. Let's just say that drained me. But even though I can't speak about it too much, I finished off my Fashion Week seeing Anna Wintour. Like, doesn't get cooler than that, right? Thank you so much for watching. This is such a flat outro, but I am drained. But I hope you enjoyed it. I've certainly enjoyed my first proper ever London Fashion Week. It's been incredible.